In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create digital exhibit stickers in Adobe Acrobat DC. By the end, you'll be able to drop a clean, consistent exhibit sticker onto any PDF with just a few clicks. First, prepare your sticker artwork. Create your sticker image in your preferred design tool and save it as a PNG or a PDF. PNG is recommended if you want a transparent background, so the document text shows through around the sticker. Aim for a clear, readable design, and keep the size reasonable so it won't appear blurry when resized. A 300 dpi export usually looks crisp, and a short descriptive file name will help you find it easily later. Now open Adobe Acrobat DC and the PDF where you want to add the sticker. Head up to the Tools tab at the top. In the Tools panel, look for the Add a Stamp option. This is where you'll turn your sticker image into a reusable stamp. In the Add a Stamp area, choose Custom Stamps, then click Create. This opens the dialog to build your custom stamp. Click Browse. Locate the sticker image you saved. Select it and confirm with OK. If you imported a multi-page PDF, Acrobat may ask you which page to use. Choose the page that contains the sticker artwork. Next, configure how your stamp will be organized. Pick an existing category from the list, such as a personal or work category, or create a new category for exhibit stickers to keep things tidy. Give your stamp a clear name that describes it, like Exhibit Sticker A or Exhibit Numbered, so you can quickly identify it among your other stamps. Click OK to save the stamp. You are ready to apply it. Open your PDF page to the spot where the sticker should go. From the Stamp menu, navigate to your custom category. Select the new exhibit sticker, then click on the page to place it. You can drag the corners to resize it, and drag the entire stamp to fine-tune the position until it's exactly where you want it. If you need to place the same sticker on multiple pages, simply repeat the selection and click to place it on each page. Your custom stamp will stay available under the category you created, so you can reuse it anytime without setting it up again. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.